Hey there, I forgot to do some examples when you're multiplying and dividing, so I'm just going to do one or two for you. They're the exact same way as the other problems, it's just multiplying and dividing instead. So let's say you had, these are just examples, these are not on the worksheet. A over 8 was equal to 2. Our goal is to solve for A, and currently A is being divided by 8. So the opposite of dividing is multiplying. So if I multiply both sides by 8, my 8 over 8 will cancel. So I have A is equal to, and 2 times 8 is 16. A is by itself, so we're done. So another example on that one, just to make sure you understand. If I have V divided by 12 is equal to 4, our goal is to get V by itself. Multiply both sides by 12 because currently V is being divided by 12 and the opposite of dividing is multiplying. So my 12 over 12 will cancel. V is equal to whatever 4 times 12 is, and 12 times 4 is 48. V is by itself, so we're finished. Alright, and then let's say you had 2x is equal to 24. We want to get x by itself. When the 2 is in front of the x, there's like an invisible multiplication sign here. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. We're dividing by 2 because we want these to cancel to get x by itself. So our 2's will cancel, and x is equal to whatever 24 divided by 2 is. 24 divided by 2 is 12. X is by itself, so our problem is finished. And one more problem. If I have 8x is equal to 16, I want to get x by itself. 8 is being multiplied by x, and the opposite of multiplying is dividing. I'm going to divide by 8 because I want these to cancel to get x by itself. Again, my goal is to get x by itself. And 16 divided by 8 is 2. X is by itself, so we're finished. So I hope that helps with some of the problems that you will encounter. One last one, just so you don't forget. If you have negative 22 is equal to negative 11x, we want to get x by itself. Negative 11 is being multiplied by x, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 11. Don't forget that my negative 11's will cancel. I have x on one side, and negative 22 divided by negative 11. My two negatives become positives. Okay? And then 22 divided by 11 is 2. So it cancels the negative signs, basically, and 22 divided by 11 is 2. You have x by itself, so you're done. So don't forget to incorporate whether your answer will be positive or negative, because that will determine whether